G'day everyone, it's Angelo Ramora here. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. And this one is for all of you rookies out there. How to start investing in real estate with only $20,000. Let's get it started. Okay guys, look, I want to start off this blog by saying this. If it was easy, then everyone would be doing it. And in my opinion, nothing comes without hard work and sacrifice. So if you want to make money in real estate, you better be willing to work hard and sacrifice pretty much everything. And I did exactly that. I moved from Australia to Kansas City. Out of all of the places, I only had $15,000 in cash, okay? I did not have any more money than that. I bought a D-class property, let's just call it that, for $9,000. I renovated it for $4,000. You heard that right, guys. I bought a house for $9,000, renovated it for $4,000. I was into the deal for a total of $13,000 and I sold that property for $27,000. And that was one of the first deals I ever did in the US real estate market. So you're probably thinking to yourself, well, that's great, Angelo. So how the hell do I do that? Because where I'm living, there are only $500,000 properties. Well, guys, what did I say when I initially started this blog? I said, nothing comes without hard work and sacrifice. So what you need to do is you need to pack up and move to a market where the numbers make sense. Like, I'm sorry, there's no other way to put it. A lot of you watching this are probably living in very expensive markets, right? Where the average house price is $200,000, $300,000, $500,000, or even $1 million. I just don't know how you can make money in those markets. I don't believe in using a ton of leverage. I don't believe in doing creative development type deals where you need to do a full-blown constructional rehab to a property, get approval from the city, get architects involved. There are just too many people in the mix there, and people equal problems. You want to control your destiny. You want to be the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. Guys, if you have $20,000, what I did and I believe you should do is you should find distressed assets. You should get really, really good at negotiating, right? And patience is a key component when it comes to negotiating and finding the right deal. Never pay more than what you need to, because where one door closes, another one will always open. So be patient. Find a distressed asset, preferably in the Midwest, guys, because in the Midwest, there are a lot of cheap properties. You're probably not going to be able to get an A or a B class property. You're probably going to have to go into a rougher area, a C or even a D class property. But guys, it's not the end of the world. You need to learn somewhere. And the least amount of money you invest, the lower your risk is. Now let me backtrack a little bit before I go into any more detail here. The most important thing when you are looking to invest in real estate is not the numbers in the deal, is not the stats and demographics of a particular area. It is the people. Okay, let me repeat that. The most important thing when investing in real estate is the people you surround yourself with. You have to build trust and relationships with key people that are going to help you get to where you need to be. You need to have contractors. You need to have a good real estate agent. You need to have a good attorney, an accountant. You need to have a respectable title company that you can rely on to make sure that they check if the deed is accurate and there are no liens, right? So it's very important that you surround yourself with the right people that can help you on your real estate journey. Okay, let's fast forward to where I was now. So the Midwest has some great opportunities, a lot of foreclosures. I feel like a kid in a candy store. There's deals falling off trees. Buy a distressed property, negotiate well, be patient, find the right type of deal. Fix it as best as you can. I know you just started, you don't know much, so be hands-on. Work on the property yourself. Be next to a contractor while they're working on the property. Spend 2, 3, 4 weeks. I don't care even if you have to sleep at the property, guys. Do it, right? Hard work and sacrifice. Never forget that. Once you renovate the property, look at selling it. And I don't know how. I'm going to give you some tips. Try marketing it on Craigslist. Try getting a real estate agent to list it on the MLS. Parade this property on Facebook. You can potentially network, right? Because we said your network equals your net worth, with local real estate investors that might want to buy and hold, with out-of-state real estate investors that might want to buy and hold, with foreign real estate investors that might want to buy and hold, right? Sell the property, guys. Sell it for a profit, hopefully, and then rinse and repeat. And just keep doing that over and over and over again. Guys, fast forward to today. I've done 500 plus real estate deals. I'm doing the exact same thing that I'm telling you guys. not in C and D class areas. I'm doing it in a little bit of a higher end area, but I still work with a lot of investors. And look, it has served me very well. Buying distressed, renovating, and selling for profit has been my bread and butter in real estate ever since I started. There are many other ways to make money in real estate, so please don't take what I'm saying for granted. But if you've only got $20,000, I think that buying a D-class property, dirt cheap, renovating it as best as you can, figuring out how to sell it, making it a win-win for you and the person that you're selling it to, and you're off to the races, guys. So hey, I'd love to hear from you. Anyone else has other strategies with $20,000? I mean, I want to know, how are you guys using $20,000 to start your journey in real estate? So please comment below. Guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm Angelo Remora. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. I'll catch you in the next vlog.